Welcome back to my channel. So during this video I am going to be sharing with you all what I received in my May Lurella's subscription box, and this is the card for the month. And the theme is Wild Thing, with the eyeshadow palette Wild Thing. And it says, let's get feral. It's time to show your wild side with our new 15 shade Wild Thing palette. This palette is full of matte and shimmer bronzes, cool nudes, golds, and deep cocoa hues that are sure to make your looks extra fierce. These 15 shades are perfect for creating a soft glam or taking it to feisty new levels. It's a "you were once wild here, don't let them tame you." Isadora Duncan quoted that. So it's more of a neutral, I'm going to say neutral plus warm deep tones palette. So let's get started with this unboxing because I just be talking. The first thing in this palette that I'm going to share is the eyeshadow palette. Again, it's the new Wild Thing eyeshadow palette with these beautiful, nice bronzy nudes and shimmer shades in here. I like this palette. I think this is a nice everyday eyeshadow palette. Go to, you can travel with it, have all types of colors. Like I said, you can do daytime looks, nighttime looks, all types of looks with this nice eyeshadow palette. And again, if you have not tried their formula is like amazing. And they're always having sales. So I shared in my, if you're interested, I shared in my last haul. I did a good massive amount of the eyeshadow palettes, because when they had that, I think it's 40% off for April Fool's Day, I racked up on a lot of their eyeshadow palettes. It's a couple more I still want to get. I don't need them, but more than likely I'll be purchasing them. And this palette is going to retail for $21. Now the box is $29.99, and this box values for $79. Now the next item I have is this Onyx Brush Set. And I have like 3 brush sets just from the January, February, 4 or 5 months I've been subscribed to them. I believe I've received 3 makeup brush sets. And this one is the Onyx Brush Set, an all black brush set. They have some awesome brushes. I've been using the brushes, my face brushes. But it comes with these brushes. You got flat foundation brush, I guess bronzing brushes, and you have some eye brushes. Their brushes are like great quality. Like I said, they always having sales, so you can try them out. And then I like how in this set the handles are matte black. And these retail for $28. So the next item is the Mink Eyelash. Now I haven't tried the other eyelash. They're more of a D-shaped style, and I'm really not a really good fan of those. But this one I can definitely see myself wearing. And this is in the style, is the style on here? Yeah, Kaylee. In the style Kaylee. So I can definitely see myself wearing this pair of eyelashes. They're dramatic, but they're right up my alley with the flutterness look. And these retail for $8. The next item I have is this lash applicator. Now I'm used to using my little tweezers to apply my lashes, but I'm gonna definitely use this to see if it's a difference. It's much longer, and try it out. I don't own one of these in my collection at all, so I'm glad I did receive this so I can actually try it out. I've just seen some good reviews on Lurella's lash applicator, so I'm definitely gonna try that out, and that retails for $7. The next item is this mini Beso mirror. And it's this cute little purple lavender mirror. And I like this, and I'm going to be taking this to work with me to put it on my desk. Because I like to kind of check my face throughout the day for oiliness, you know, if I have to blot or anything like that. Sorry guys, that's my sister. Our morning daily call. That means I need to be out the door. Again, I'm going to take this to work so I can kind of, like I said, touch ups, whether it's blotting or anything like that, just to kind of see my face. And this retails for $5. And the last item in my box is the liquid lipstick in the tube like this. It looks like a ColourPop type tube. And this is in the shade Fifi. It's more of a caramel type. I don't know, y'all know I'm colorblind. Caramel, whatever it is. But it's a nice tone. So I can't wait to see how the formula of their lipsticks are. But I love the gloss. Because today I have on the gloss in the shade Single. And it is like so pretty. And it's really comfortable wearing. It's a glitter lip gloss, but it's not that overbearing glitter that you can feel and it's chunky. You can't feel it at all. And I absolutely love it. So this is my subscription box from May. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing because I can't wait to use this eyeshadow palette. I just love everything about Lurella. No issue with them when you subscribe to them. You get your packets like in a couple of days, which I love. Their shipping is like awesome. So until then, if you have not done so already, please comment, like, and subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family here. I'll see you guys in my next video.